Pete. There's no way I can get back to Pete's boat.
We can hide out at my house until it's clear. My dad can help you. It's not far. We'll get there before morning.
He can really help me.
He's the smartest guy I know. He's got a temper, but I can vouch for you. Michonne?
Oh, God. Cover! Go! We gotta put some distance between us and Norma. Hope the walkers go for them instead. We can lose them in the woods.
How are we gonna do that? It's not like we're just gonna walk through those things.
Тот самый метод, которым пользовалась Джейн. Как там ее? Можно было ее рубануть. Да, главное в этот момент никто не может по нам попасть, никто не может развидеть, что идут живые, ну это так тупо.
What is it? What do you see?
Nothing. Let's keep moving. Just keep going.
Michonne, slow down.
Shit.
Так, ну, одной проблемы меньше.
Just be glad it did.
Ну тут тоже надо пробежать.
There's a shortcut to my house, but you're not gonna like it. not as bad as it looks. I know the way up. This'll work.
Looks pretty damn bad to me.
Better than going the long way around. Greg and I climbed it one by one. But I don't think we have time for that. Follow my lead.
Да уж, те самые последние вышки из третьего Far Cry. По ним пытаешься забраться. Чем-то вот мне такое напоминает эта конструкция. Дело дерьмо.
You okay? Holy shit! Hold on!
I got this. I'll meet you up top.
Randall, I found him! This way!
Go!
Все на соплях и божьем слове.
Almost there!
Все очень плохо.
Fucking gun.
Sam, jump!
Michonne,
You'll be all right, Sam. I'm gonna get you home.
my house is up ahead. We're not far. I found Norma's place a while back, when it was just a couple of boats anchored to a pier. They had some supplies just sitting out, and Norma caught me. I didn't think she was going to, but she let me go. And now Greg is dead, because I couldn't leave it alone.
Why'd she let you go?
She took pity on me. I told her my family was starving, and that was enough. This last time, I thought we could just hide this stuff on the ferry. But Greg, he didn't think it was safe. dizzy.
Блин, пошли загоны.
Thanks.
You're not looking so good.
I feel even worse. Talking helps. I don't want to black out on you. Trying not to.
You sure your house is safe?
Think so. It's kept us alive for the past however long it's been. It's hard to find. That's our only real defense, though. We've been lucky.
Ну, Шинка будет найти его расплюнуть.
It's too dangerous out here. Dad was right. He said none of us should leave the house. Walkers are trouble. People are worse. I didn't listen.
You knew the risk with Norma and you still took your brother.
If we hadn't gotten food, we all would have died. Doesn't mean I don't regret it. I don't know. How am I supposed to tell my dad about Greg? It's gonna ruin him. I don't know if I can.
Just give him the truth. He deserves to know what really happened.
You don't know him like I do. After Mom, he isn't a fan of bad news.
Кому нравятся еще плохие новости?
Made it.
Sam. Sam. Sam, wake up.
Селенок совсем не осталось.
Can't catch a goddamn break.
Что там, ловушки еще какие-то?
Almost there, Sam. Almost home. Don't
Стреляй,
fucking
не
move.
видя просто.
One more step. Sam, is she dead? Did you kill her? Answer me or I'll shoot. I'm not fucking around. Sam's still alive, but she won't be for long unless you let us in.
Блин. Если бы мы ее убили, мы бы ее не таскали.
Sam?
Ну, логично же.
Maybe you shot her. Then you'll come in here and kill everyone. I can't take that risk. So just put Sam down and leave. Sam trusted me to get her home. How do you think I found this place? I'm doing this for her, not you. Hurry! She doesn't have much time!